In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer to your email in Klaviyo. Whether you're gearing up for a big sale or launching a new product, countdown timers can create a sense of urgency that encourages your recipients to act quickly. So let's get started. First, you need to choose and create your countdown timer. Head over to www.mailtimers.com and sign up for an account. It's a pretty straightforward process, and once you're in, you'll be able to make full use of their countdown timer features. Having an account will provide you access to their timer builder tool, which is essential for the next step. Now that you've set up your account, it's time to create a timer. Using the Mail Timers tool, you can set your desired countdown date and time. Customize its appearance to suit your marketing campaign's theme. You can choose various styles, colors, and sizes, whatever fits your brand the best. Feel free to experiment here to make sure everything aligns with your email's design. Once you're happy with your timer, click on Save. You'll want to copy the provided embed code or link, as this will be essential for embedding the timer into your email. Keep this information handy because we'll be using it shortly in Klaviyo. Next, let's integrate the timer into your Klaviyo email. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account. If you don't already have an account, registration is simple and can be done quickly. Once logged in, navigate to the Content section and then select Templates. This is where you can either choose an existing email template or create a new one if you want something fresh. With your template ready, locate the spot where you want the countdown timer to appear. Simply drag a text block to that area. The great thing about Klaviyo is its straightforward drag and drop features, making this step easy and convenient. Now click on the text block you just added and open its source code editor. This will allow you to input HTML directly into your email template. In this space, paste the countdown timer code you previously copied from Mail Timers. Make sure it appears correctly in the preview before proceeding. Finally, save your changes and your email is ready to roll. Whether you're scheduling a campaign or sending it out straight away, your email will now include a professional countdown timer, adding a dynamic touch that can boost engagement. And there you go, that's how to add a countdown timer to your email in Klaviyo in just a few minutes. Follow these steps and you'll be enhancing your email marketing with engaging and interactive elements in no time. If you have any questions or if there's something else you'd like to learn, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.